Hello guys, so today I will teach you how to open a terminal. So what is a terminal? Terminal is nothing but in window you have command prompt, right? So the command prompt or the command line which is used in the window the same way we have something called terminal in Linux. Okay, in all kind of Linux we have these kind of terminals. So in order to open a terminal you just it's not a very difficult task actually. In order to do that there are multiple ways. Okay, so first of all the easiest way is right click open terminal. Okay, so here in this way you can open. To close the terminal, just close it. Okay, the second way is from here, just click on this dot to show applications in your system, and here you can look for terminal. Okay, here you can look for the terminal and double click on that, so it will also open terminal for you. So here all the things, all the commands you will write. This is the second way. Third way, alt control and T, just press that, and while pressing it will automatically appear the terminal. So alt control and T button. Okay, so you have to press alt plus control plus T button. So when you will press this button you will able to see the things. Okay, so this is the way we can open the terminal. I hope you understand how to open the terminal in the Linux. Okay, so that's all about the terminal. Okay, so let's see you in the next class.